feet, turn right onto Stevens Creek Boulevard.
Testing out the new Model Y.
Now turn
So
right
far,
onto
so
Stevens
good.
Creek Boulevard.
It's smooth. It's quieter. We're gonna test some of the highway driving right now. But FSD's so far so good. Its confidence level has gone up, I would say. It's a very confident car. Very, very confident. I'm just gonna adjust my mirrors. There you go, so I can see, just in case I gotta take over. But yeah, overall, it's quiet. It's almost like they got a better seal on the car. The other thing I noticed so far is it's pretty the suspension is much better at this point. So let's keep going. I like this new setup. This is what this looks like here. It kind of pops up a little bit. It's a cleaner look. Let me get the back. There you go. So this is what it looks like. Overall, it feels more, it's better build quality, I'd say. I'll play some music so we can hear it. Wow. This couple is gonna drive me nuts. Sound system sounds amazing. Wow. That is impressive. Holy, I might buy this car just because of the sound. Holy shit. It's the way I can explain this is it's noise cancellation in a car. I mean,
500 feet, turn right to take the Interstate 880 North Ramp.
This is going to be interesting because I got to get in this right lane. It's a demo vehicle, so I'm going to be careful. But okay, so that was the first time I noticed that it has the signal to show you there's a car, blind spot monitoring, which is pretty cool. The noise cancellation is the reason to buy this car. I'm just gonna name it. I mean, it truly is the equivalent of putting on noise canceling headphones for the first time. So we're about to go on a highway. This is gonna be the real test to see
stay straight to take the ramp
what it sounds like. Let's see. But I will say, so far I'm impressed. Alright, so right now I haven't driven the car. It's all FSD. I'm going to take over here. I want to feel the driving dynamics.
Now stay straight.
Wow. Alright, that thing moves fast. This is where I would say the prior Model Y and prior Teslas suck. Just name it. I'm an owner, I could say it. The wind noise is just soul crushing. Okay, so here's the deal. You're not getting I turned off the AC. You're not getting any wind noise. First thing, this thing moves. I'm getting distracted. This thing really got some move, some pickup. Wow. This thing flies. First thing. Okay, so we got that covered. The second thing I would say though is,
In 1 mile, take exit.
holy shit, this thing is fast. The wind noise issue is solved, which is huge. I mean, look, it's the number one complaint I've had with both of my Model Y and the Model 3. It's quiet in here. It's quiet. I mean, it definitely is quiet. And so I'm gonna turn back on FSD. FSD coming on with the button is interesting. I've never done it this way. I'm used to the stock double, one claw down or two. That was a close call on that merge there, but it is what it is. And so yeah, I mean, look.
Now take exit 3 on the right.
There's the light again. I like the light. Look, I love the little blind spot monitoring. It's integrated into the speaker. It works. It's a nice safety. Even though when you turn on, you're gonna still get that. You're still gonna. Well, you should get a red thing, but I guess when you're moving, it turns on. I don't want to jump the light. But overall, I would say, let's see what the in and out's looking like.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Newhall Drive.
Not a long line. Look, the car is quiet. It is a noise dampening. Noise dampening for sure. I constantly have to wind down the windows to make sure that they found a way to put the thing so high in the windowsill that, you know, it's actually quiet. And so, and this is interesting because it's a no U-turn, and I see why. I would have ran into an accident right there, so I'm glad I didn't try to do an illegal turn. Not from down here. You should just follow the rules of the road. But it's quiet. Look, it's
Now turn left.
It's quiet. Yeah, you know, I think I would probably get 2 Model Ys. I don't think I would get a 3. Granted, I haven't driven the new 3, but this just feels rigid, I guess, is the way I would describe it. It truly, this is gonna be interesting. I've never done one of these parking things. You know, I don't have version 13. I imagine it's got to be running 13. So we'll see. Service software. So
your destination is on the left.
it's running. Yeah, it's running V12 though. So I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work. I imagine it will work. I don't know what it's going for here. It stopped at the front of the thing. It's just not an ideal place to stop. So I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna go back. All right, that was cool. All right, so we're gonna go back now. Navigate to. I don't know how to fucking talk to this thing. Shit. All right, so I'm back driving. I couldn't get it to do the parking in the in and out lot, but let's take off from here. Wow, the launch, sheesh. I mean, that thing throws you in the back. This is not the performance edition, but it moves. I mean, it moves. Look, I gotta call it a spade a spade. This thing moves, no problem. And from a performance standpoint, you're gonna be very happy in this car. Let me get out of here. It literally, I don't know any other way to say it, but sheesh. You are having no problems overtaking anybody in this car at all. I mean, it really gets in the spot that you need to get in. It's a tighter handling. They have more sports mode enabled on this, and so the steering does feel a little bit tighter. I'd say the biggest wins here is going to be the suspension. I mean, the suspension is just great in this car. I mean, any bump, you know, it's just stable. It's like, look, I drove here in a Model 3 with some loosey-goosey suspension. This thing is rock solid, to say the least. And so, yeah, I mean, look, I love it. It's a winner. People gave it some slack about the back of it. Who the hell cares? I mean, first thing, the back doesn't look bad in person. So that's the first thing. People, you know, and look, I have a Model Y, I have a Model 3. This car looks amazing. Look, and the only thing I would have changed maybe is the light. Maybe have it continuous in the front. Can I get over it? I could. You know, the driving dynamics, the screen in the back, the, you know, it's just a more stable, planted car. And it's a winner. That's it. There's nothing else to talk about. This is a winner. They did it again. I'm not a fanboy. I'll call it if the car sucked. I'd say, hey, this thing sucked. Don't buy it. It's a winner. I'm hitting all these bumps. I don't feel anything. The suspension, it's like riding on clouds. Which riding on clouds and Tesla never went together. Maybe on the Model S or X. They've now done it in the Y. That's my full review. I'm returning this bad boy back. I'm going to put on autopilot, take me back. But yeah, I mean, overall, I'm very impressed, to say the least. It's just a great experience. And so, you know, FSD is more confident than ever. I imagine that all of the cars would have this level of confidence at a certain point. This is interesting because it just cut across 3 lanes. Now 4. And yeah, I mean, I've got no complaints whatsoever about the car. It's smooth, it's easy. The sound system, here is amazing. The noise dampening, it's like noise cancellation for sure. That piece I will co-sign to the day I die. The sound system's amazing. You put the sound on, you're not hearing anything outside, which it's almost too quiet. You know, like I don't think I would hear somebody honking me. They were honking me. Unbelievable. You know, you want to have a little. Wow. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but it's more to come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the girl, damn, order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?